Hello, and welcome to Popsicle Stick Crafts with Miss Jessica. I'm so excited that you tuned in today. Guess what we're making? A popsicle stick snowflake. Let's head on over and grab our supplies. You need 4 popsicle sticks, blue and white paint, glue, glitter, a paintbrush, and pom-pom balls. Let's get started. Grab your 4 popsicle sticks and lay them in a star shape just like so. Perfect. Now for our next step, grab your glue and glue each individual popsicle stick to the next. When handling a glue gun, please have adult supervision because the glue tends to get really hot and we want to make sure that everyone is safe. All done. Now for our next step, you're going to grab your paintbrush and your blue paint and paint your snowflake all over. While the paint is still wet, grab your glitter and sprinkle all over and let dry completely. Once it has dried, grab your pom-pom balls and your glue and glue them directly into the center of your snowflake. Make sure that your paint has completely dried or else your pom-poms will not stick. And for the last and final step, grab your white paint and your paintbrush and sprinkle dots all over your snowflake, just like so. Isn't it the cutest snowflake? Want to see me make something out of popsicle sticks? Email me with your idea at jjohnson@mcls.ms. Your idea may be in my next episode. Thank you so much for tuning in. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.